If you like our content, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get alerts when we introduce new videos.
We're going to talk about the IoT controller file manager and how to use that to upload a floor plan into our IoT Insights platform. And I'm also going to show you how to back up and restore the rules. So here we are back at our IoT Insights dashboard. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the IoT controller and click on the file manager button. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a floor plan. And it's called floor.jpg. Choose that file. And you can see it's now been uploaded into our file manager. I'm going to go back to our IoT Insights platform. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that floor plan into our IoT Insights. So first thing is the index. It's going to be index 1. And if you remember, the name of the floor plan was floor.jpg. So the floor plan has come up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my door sensor. I could just drag the icon over to a location. Add that, save that, and you can see the door sensor has been placed on the floor plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the door sensor, and you can see the door sensor has been opened. Just like before, it shows up here, it shows up on the floor plan, and it shows up in our database, and it's over there. So I'm going to close the door sensor. All goes green, and that's a demonstration of uploading a floor plan using our file manager and drag and dropping a device onto the floor plan. So the next thing that I wanted to show you is we go back to the IoT controller, and what we can do is if we go to admin and rules backup, what I can do is I can create a rules backup of what I have running right now. So I'm just going to hit that button. It's created the backup, and what I can do is I can save that backup onto the hard drive of my computer by downloading it. So now I've just saved that. Likewise, if I wanted to upload a previous backup, I could just hit upload. And what I can do is I can go over to a previous rules and just select that and upload that. You can see it's been uploaded.